Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Let's talk about something crucial to your digital experience: RAM. You know that thing quietly working in your phone and laptop, making everything smooth and snappy? Yeah, that's the one. Think of RAM as your device's short-term memory. It's where your phone or laptop stores data it needs to access quickly, like the apps you're using, the websites you're browsing, and the files you're editing. Without enough RAM, your device would slow to a crawl, leaving you staring at loading screens all day. So whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, RAM plays a vital role in shaping your digital experience. In this essay, we'll delve deeper into the world of RAM, exploring its intricacies and why it's so damn important. Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the magic of RAM. Okay, let's break down this RAM thing in simple terms. RAM stands for Random Access Memory, and it's a crucial component in your computer or smartphone. But what exactly does it do, and why is it so important? RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It's like a workspace for your device where it can temporarily store data that it needs to access quickly. Imagine a big whiteboard where your device can jot down information it needs to access quickly. That's RAM. It's a place for your device to keep important data handy while it's working on tasks. When you open an app, your device copies the necessary data from your storage drive, like your hard drive or SSD, to RAM. This process is essential because it allows your device to access the data much faster than if it had to retrieve it from the storage drive every time. This allows the processor to access the information much faster, resulting in smoother performance. Think of it as having a notepad right next to you while you work, instead of having to go to a filing cabinet every time you need a piece of information. Think of it like this. Accessing data from your storage drive is like finding a book in a massive library. It takes time to locate the book, pull it off the shelf, and open it to the right page. While accessing data from RAM is like grabbing a note from your pocket. It's immediate and effortless. See the difference? This speed is what makes your device feel responsive and quick. The more RAM you have, the bigger your whiteboard becomes, and the more information your device can store for quick access. This means your device can handle more tasks at once without slowing down. This means you can have more apps open simultaneously, browse more complex websites, and work on larger files without your device breaking a sweat. In essence, more RAM allows for better multitasking and a smoother overall experience. Upgrading your RAM can be one of the most effective ways to boost your device's performance. It's like expanding your workspace, giving you more room to spread out and work efficiently. So if you find your device lagging, consider adding more RAM to keep things running smoothly. We all crave speed, especially in our tech. And guess what? The secret sauce behind that lightning-fast performance is often hidden inside your device. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is a major player in the speed game. It's like your device's short-term memory, allowing it to quickly access the data it needs right now. More RAM translates to faster performance in a multitude of ways. Whether you're running multiple applications or just browsing the web, more RAM means your device can handle more tasks simultaneously without slowing down. Let's say you're a multitasking maniac, juggling multiple apps simultaneously. With ample RAM, your device can keep all those apps loaded and ready to go, making your workflow smooth and efficient. With ample RAM, your device can keep all those apps loaded and ready to go. This means you can switch between them without any lag, making your multitasking experience seamless. Switching between them becomes seamless without those annoying delays or reloads. Imagine the frustration of waiting for an app to reload just because you switched to another one for a moment. More RAM eliminates that hassle. Gamers, this one's for you. If you're into gaming, you know how crucial smooth performance is. RAM is critical for a smooth gaming experience. It ensures that your game runs without hiccups, providing a seamless and immersive experience. Games these days are demanding, requiring vast amounts of data to be processed quickly. High-detail graphics, complex environments, and real-time actions all need substantial RAM to function smoothly. Sufficient RAM ensures that your game runs smoothly, without lag or frame rate drops, allowing you to fully immerse in the action. No one wants to lose a game because of a lag spike. Even everyday tasks like web browsing benefit from ample RAM. Think about how many tabs you have open right now. Complex websites with tons of images and videos can quickly bog down a device with limited RAM. This can make your browsing experience slow and frustrating. But with enough RAM, those websites load quickly and smoothly, making your browsing experience a breeze. So, whether you're a multitasker, a gamer, or just someone who loves a smooth browsing experience, having ample RAM is key to keeping your device running at its best. Now let's talk RAM types. You've probably come across terms like DDR and LPDDR. What's the deal with those? In a nutshell, DDR or double data rate is the standard RAM found in most laptops, while LPDDR or low power double data rate is commonly used in mobile devices. LPDDR, as the name suggests, is designed for power efficiency, which is crucial for battery-powered devices like smartphones and tablets. It consumes less power than DDR, extending your device's battery life. DDR, on the other hand, is all about speed. It offers faster data transfer rates than LPDDR, making it ideal for performance-intensive tasks like gaming and video editing. So, which one's better? It depends on your needs. For mobile devices, LPDDR strikes a good balance between performance and power efficiency. For laptops, DDR reigns supreme if you prioritize speed and performance. Section 5. Finding your RAM. Sweet spot. How much do you really need? In this section, we'll break down the different RAM requirements for various types of users, from casual browsers to hardcore gamers and professionals. Alright, let's cut to the chase. How much RAM do you actually need? This is a question that often confuses many, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Well, the answer, as always in tech, is, it depends. Your RAM needs are directly tied to what you plan to do with your computer. For basic users who primarily browse the web, check emails, and watch videos, 8 GB of RAM is a good starting point. This amount is sufficient for most everyday tasks and ensures a smooth experience. It'll handle your everyday tasks without breaking a sweat. You can open multiple browser tabs, stream videos, and even do some light photo editing without any issues. Power users, multitaskers, and creative professionals will benefit from 16 GB of RAM or more. This is especially true for those who use resource-intensive applications like video editing software, 3D rendering programs, or large databases. This ensures smooth sailing even when juggling multiple demanding applications or working with large files. You won't experience lag or slowdowns, which can be crucial for productivity. Gamers, especially those who crave high frame rates and resolutions, should aim for 16 GB of RAM at the very least. This amount helps in running modern games smoothly and can significantly enhance your gaming experience. 32 GB is even better, providing a noticeable boost in performance for demanding games. This is particularly beneficial for gamers who stream their gameplay or use mods. Remember, these are just general guidelines. The actual amount of RAM you need can vary based on your specific use case and future-proofing considerations. The ideal amount of RAM for you depends on your specific needs and usage patterns. Always consider what you use your computer for and plan for any future upgrades or changes in your usage. Section 6. Upgrading your RAM possibilities and limitations. So, you're feeling the RAM crunch and thinking about an upgrade. Can you actually do that? Well, it depends on your device. Some laptops, especially older models, allow you to upgrade the RAM. This involves opening up your laptop and physically replacing or adding RAM modules. It's not rocket science, but it does require some technical know-how. Unfortunately, most modern laptops and virtually all smartphones come with soldered RAM, meaning it's not user upgradable. This is a bummer, but it's the price we pay for slimmer and lighter devices. Before attempting any upgrades, consult your device's manual or manufacturer's website to check if RAM upgrades are possible and supported. Section 7. Debunking RAM myths. Separating fact from fiction. The world of RAM is rife with myths and misconceptions. Let's bust some of the most common ones, shall we? Myth: more RAM always equals better performance. Fact: while more RAM generally improves performance, there's a point of diminishing returns. If your device isn't fully utilizing your existing RAM, adding more won't magically make it faster. Myth: closing apps. You're not using freeze-up RAM. Fact: modern operating systems are smarter than you think. They manage RAM dynamically, keeping frequently used apps readily available in RAM, even if they're not actively in use. Myth: all RAM is created equal. Fact: as we discussed earlier, there are different types of RAM with varying speeds and power consumption. DDR5 will be noticeably faster than DDR4, for example. Always check the specifications before buying RAM for your device. Section 8. The future of RAM: faster, denser, and more efficient. The world of RAM is constantly evolving, with new technologies emerging to push the boundaries of speed and efficiency. One promising development is DDR5 RAM, which offers significantly faster data transfer rates and improved power efficiency compared to its predecessor, DDR4. Another exciting area of research is MRAM, or magnetoresistive RAM, a type of non-volatile RAM that retains data even when the power is turned off. MRAM has the potential to revolutionize computing, enabling instant-on devices and significantly faster boot times. As technology advances, we can expect to see even faster, denser, and more efficient RAM modules, unlocking new possibilities in computing and mobile devices.